Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can create a custom scroll bar for your Elementor website. So as you can see, I got the normal scroll bar, but let's say that I want to create it like different one with different color. So what you want to do is just click here on this menu button left up corner. Now go to theme style and then just go to custom CSS and paste the code. There will be in the description. And voila, here you go. When I'm going to preview the changes, or you can't see it right now, I need to update the website, but this is how we actually do it. So now, as you can see, like we got the handle here that you can change the colors. And really play around it. And just choose like whatever color you want here, right? You can Google it. It's like the red one, etc. So this is how you actually do it. That's pretty much it. And yeah. And voila, here you got like custom scroll bar. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And you know how it works. So have a great day and goodbye.